Weaknesses, all right, let me start with a few. Out of the 20 circuits in the state of Florida, the clerk's office keeps track of all felony trials. And in the past year, the state attorney's office in this circuit, Manatee, Sarasota, and DeSoto, were 18. They were third from the bottom. And I know Mr. Brodsky's shaking his head, but it's on the clerk's website. The last time I mentioned this, he said, no, that's not right. It's been corrected. Well, I go on the website every week to see if it's been corrected. It hasn't. And everybody in the criminal justice system, whether it be a prosecutor, defense attorney, whether it be a cop, they all know that the state attorney's office loses trials big time. We also know, and what I did was, I checked DUIs in Sarasota County, where Mr. Brodsky supervises. I checked every single DUI trial from January 2010 up until about a month ago. Their conviction rate is 44%. That is pathetic. The police are doing their job. They're putting people, they're getting drunk drivers off the street, and the state attorney's office is doing a pathetic job in that. Weaknesses, they need to go after gangs. They refuse to go after gangs under the RICO statute. There was Tom Lyons wrote an article about a guy named Brewster. He'd been arrested 40 times. And Earl Moreland said, yeah, we haven't really done a very good job of keeping track of people like that, repeat offenders. Yeah, he's exactly right. Sean Tyson, the British tourist guy. Mr. Brodsky, he took over the case, and he did a good job in trial. It was a strong case against Mr. Tyson. But you got to remember, why was he out of jail? Why was he out of detention? Because the state attorney's office dropped the ball. And the supervisor, the juvenile supervisor, said, yeah, we've got some weaknesses. We didn't do a very good job of supervising the juvenile division. And you know who the ultimate supervisor was? I'll give you a hint. He's right next to me.
Okay.
Needless